Lily, do you want some hay? Here, girl. We have basement steps. Booyah. Elias, you like the steps?
Uh-huh.
Me too.
Who made these steps?
Daddy. The front corner of the wraparound porch is now done. The decking is delivered, and we're ready for it. Elias and I are headed over to the house to see what the boys are doing. They've been working on putting down the decking on the wraparound porch, so we're gonna go check it out. Here comes Eli and his John Deere Gator. He loves this thing, it's so cute. James is putting up Tyvek tape. The front part of the decking for the house is done. Looks fantastic. Now we're working on the left side of the house. What are you putting in?
Blocking for the next step.
So you're putting in blocking for the posts?
Yeah.
This is the blocking where a post is going to sit on this side of the house to attach the roof on. We picked the windiest day of the year to put up the rest of the Tyvek. Elias, what do you have, buddy?
A caterpillar.
You do? Let's look at it. Where is it?
Right there. A real new one.
Oh, yeah. It's cool. Does your caterpillar have a name?
Yeah.
What's its name?
You know his name is Houston Tuesday.
Eusted Toosted?
Yes.
Every time I turn around, Elias has a new insect that he wants to keep as a pet. And sometimes they end up in the camera. Did you just give your caterpillar a kiss?
Yeah.
Good job.
I'm
Good job.
hitting him on you.
You gonna put him on me?
Yeah. I just hit him on you.
I think he likes you.
Okay, this is back in his shoe.
Whoop. There he is.
Look, Levi.
James is on the second floor of the house working on framing that small skinny closet that goes next to the bathroom and the boys' room. Long skinny closet. You can kind of see the angle here. So the steps come up, and then that's where the closet is. Looks good, I like it. James is putting on the final touches on the roof. If you can tell over there in that corner, we're actually missing that 18-inch piece. So hopefully we're gonna get that on today, and then we need all these pieces that go along the trim, and that needs to be cut off, and that needs to be cut off. Just lots of little odds and ends. So he's up there doing that. Hi, babe. Nothing, just waving. And then the other guys, they're working on the porch over there. And Elias is running around as usual.
Look at this course.
Look at Donald Duck running. What is it?
Look at that deer.
Where's that at?
What?
I see, so that's what goes button up against the house.
Yep.
And then you just cut it off at the right length.
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Well, if you trip, you're on camera.
Uh-oh. Oh, perfect. Yes.
Perfect.
Now.
Did you make that?
Yeah. These boards are like this.
I love it.
It's a deer.
It's a deer?
Yeah.
Looks exactly like a deer.
It is a deer right now.
Yeah, are you gonna shoot it?
No.
Uh-oh.
Don't do that.
This looks really good. Oh, yeah.
No, it goes like that.
It's okay, keep trying.
Get your crown the way you want her.
We're working on the wraparound porch, and Elias is building deer. I like it, Eli. Whoa! Prepping for the last piece of roof.
Living on pulse of time.
got to make sure of when we put that sucker up, because we don't crease that sucker right in the middle.
That thing is long and skinny.
I think that's going to be hard.
I'm not getting any footage of it, but James is up on top of the house right now and he's putting up the last piece of metal roof. I'm holding the ladder, so I can't be out there taking footage, unfortunately, but he's up there doing it. And there's Donald Duck holding the ladder as well. There he is. James did such a good job putting up the final piece of roofing. And now he's coming down. It's 90 degrees outside today, mid-September. Elias, I love the house you made me.
Love it?
I love it.
Thank you.
It's beautiful.
Oh.
Careful.
Okay.
That looks great. Really good job, buddy.
Whew.
You tired from building the house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm tired from building that.
Yeah, just like Daddy's tired from building our house. This is what our camper looks like when the boys get out their toys. But they're content. So I can do the dishes and put away laundry while they make this mess.
Dr. Fitz sees this, you know, I'm in big trouble.
James is corny like that.
Let's just put that door right there in, and that is the door that walks out of our master bedroom to the wraparound porch. Good job, babe. That's disgusting.
This Coke's clean out my system.
Oh my gosh, here we go again. Here it is. My door in the master bedroom and our window. Whoa! There's the wind. I just love the master bedroom. Let's just record this real quick. Walking in here. Got a window there. Window there. Door there.
Why did you do that?
Windows way up there.
Let me grab a nail.
Cathedral ceiling.